Hello everyone. Welcome to Guidify. Getting the VAN 185 error in Valorant? Don't worry. You don't need to reinstall the entire game. Just follow all the steps in this video. Let's get started. First, go to Windows Search. Search for Services. And open it. Find VGC in the list. Double-click on it. Set Startup Type to Automatic. If the service is stopped, click Start. Then click Apply. And click OK. Now close the Services window. Next, go to Windows Search. Search for Windows Defender Firewall. And open it. Click Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. At the top, click Change Settings. Then click Allow another app. Click Browse. Find your Valorant installation folder. Select valorant.exe. Then click Open. Click Add. Make sure both private and public are checked for Valorant. Then click OK. Now open Valorant. And check if the VAN 185 error is fixed. If you're still getting VAN 185, we'll reinstall Riot Vanguard. First, completely close Valorant and Riot Client. Then exit Riot Vanguard from the system tray. Now open Control Panel. Go to Programs and Features. Find Riot Vanguard. Right-click on it. And select Uninstall. Follow the steps to remove Vanguard. Once Vanguard is removed, open Valorant again. Riot Client should detect that Vanguard is missing and ask you to install it again. Install Riot Vanguard. Once the installation is complete, restart your PC. After your PC starts again, open Valorant and check if the VAN 185 error is fixed. Hopefully this fixes the problem for you. If you're still getting the error, make sure VGC is running and check that Valorant is allowed through Windows Defender Firewall. If this video helped you, leave a like and subscribe to Guidify. Thanks for watching.